Stop blaming the subject. Start checking the mood. In a year-long study of 252 children starting primary school, well-being dipped and behavior worries climbed, and those shifts tracked with early academic and social skills. Translation: when mood drops, learning gets harder. Sunday night dread creeps in, drop-off tears come faster, and school starts to feel heavy. Coming up, the mood learning link to watch for, and small moves you can start today if your child says school stinks. Here's what the study did in plain language. The same children were followed across their first school year. Well-being and mental health were measured separately, alongside reading, number skills, and social competence. On average, well-being slipped while difficulties rose. Starting the year with more mental health worries was linked to weaker skills later. When well-being improved, academics and social skills tended to look better too. It's a pattern over time, not simple cause and effect, but it's a clear signal. Listen for things like, "My tummy hurts," "Nobody plays with me," "I'm dumb at reading." If versions of these show up a few times in a week, treat them like a check engine light. Now the part you can do: fast, gentle, doable on a weekday. In the morning, keep it calm and short. 1 minute of co-regulation beats 5 minutes of pep talk. Sit shoulder to shoulder, breathe in for 4, out for 6, then say, "Looks heavy today." What would help first? Walking in with a friend or meeting your teacher at the door? A small choice lowers threat. Your steady body sets the tone. On the way to school, hand them one tiny win to carry inside. Tell me one thing you can do today, even if it's hard. If they shrug, offer 2 options. Circle tricky words and ask for help. Or start with the picture and tell the story first. You're planting a doable first step so the day doesn't start with failure. After school, decompress before you talk. Snack, a bit of movement, then a quick check-in. What went okay, what was tough, and what should we try tomorrow? Keep answers tiny. Write tomorrow's try on a sticky note and put it in the backpack. Ask Mia to sit at snack. Show Ms. Lee the word I circled. Try the number line once. That little debrief turns feelings into plans. At bedtime, set up tomorrow's mood. Use the same short routine each night. If Sundays are rough, lay out Monday's first win on the dresser. The book to show the teacher, the Lego model for show and tell, the joke for the lunch table. Predictable and positive nudges well-being up. When friendships are the stress, rehearse 1 line and 1 exit. "Can I join?" and "I'm going to the swings." Practice once in the kitchen. A practiced line feels safer at recess than a whole speech. Loop in the teacher early with calm, specific asks. "I'm noticing morning dread and tummy aches. We're doing a short breath at home and a first win plan. Could you greet at the door this week and check in after lunch on tough days? Ask for 1 concrete support and a time to review it next week." Small daily frictions add up, so smooth the easy ones. Think restorative sleep, 10 minutes of outside play after school, a predictable breakfast, a backpack that closes easily, shoes your child can manage alone. Fewer frictions mean more bandwidth for learning. If you see persistent sleep changes, daily school refusal, frequent stomach aches or headaches, pulling away from friends, talk of not wanting to be alive, or behavior shifts that worry you, loop in your pediatrician and the school right away. Safety and support come first. Bottom line, mood and learning move together during that first school year. Nudge mood, gently, every day, and school feels lighter while skills grow. Follow Smart Start Parents for science-backed scripts you can use tonight. Because when the heart feels safer, the brain learns better.